The QuadRF kit is your key to the spatial wireless world. With 4 full duplex antennas and a built-in Raspberry Pi, it runs hundreds of software-defined radio applications. Add your phone and the mobile battery pack, and you have an instant augmented reality window into the wireless signals around you. Observe how radio signals propagate and reflect off of surfaces. Frequency is represented by color, giving you real-time insight into Wi-Fi channel activity. See who is hogging the airwaves or phoning home. Hunt transmitters down and understand how devices connect and interact. Wi-Fi signals pass right through walls. When you can see radio waves, you'll be surprised what you can discover. QuadRF runs GNU Radio directly on board, which you can access with your web browser along with a helpful control GUI. You can create high-speed point-to-point links with automatic beamforming, transmitting between 2 QuadRFs over long distances, or even create mesh MIMO networks. The QuadRF lets robots communicate too. They can see and navigate around devices and access points. Mounting on a quadcopter, you can take to the skies and measure RF from above. Of course, quadcopters generate their own wireless signals too. You can track multiple simultaneously. Or pick one, lock on, and decode its camera feed live on your phone using one of the many onboard apps. As an all-digital, software-defined radio with 4 coherent transmitters and 4 receivers, QuadRF is bounded only by your imagination.